The Lagos Chamber of Commerce and Industry and the Center for Promotion of Private Enterprise say the decline in productivity is harming the nation's economic expansion. The body stated this while responding to the National Bureau of Statistics release of its gross domestic products data for the second quarter of the year. According to Chief Executive Officer of CPPE, Muda Yusuf, the negative effects of the most recent economic reforms were disproportionately greater than anticipated. An economic rebound is anticipated in the medium to long term as current economic distortions are removed, according to the statement which was signed by the Chief Executive Officer of CPPE. Yusuf further pointed out that a number of industries, including oil, refining, livestock, crude, oil and gas, and textiles, are all experiencing downturn as a result of macroeconomic, structural, or policy concerns. After the Central Bank of Nigeria formally floated the Naira and liberalized the foreign exchange market, Nigeria's foreign reserves decreased by $950 million. According to CBN data, the reserves decreased from $34.66 billion in June 14, 2023, the day the Naira was floated, to $33.74 billion on August 24, 2023. The investor and exporter Forex window had the Naira value close to 471 Naira, 67 kobo to the dollar on June 13th, the day before the CBN announced the Naira float. Following the development, the local currency at the IND window dropped to 700 Naira to the dollar. Since then, the Naira has been trading above 700 Naira to the dollar. With borrowing from the Apex Bank increasing in the final 8 months of 2023, there are signs that commercial banks and merchant banks are relying more on it for liquidity. The financial institutions borrowed a total of 12.46 trillion naira from the CBN over the first 8 months of this year, with the exception of August 2023, which expires this week. In the first 8 months of 2022, the financial institutions borrowed 6.96 trillion naira from the central bank, an increase of 79%. According to CBN data, commercial banks and merchant banks drew 10.25 trillion naira from the CBN through the SLF window between January and June this year, up 138% year-on-year from 4.3 trillion naira borrowed during the same period of quarter one of 2022. The CBN report indicated that 4.95 trillion naira for the first quarter of 2022 was higher than the half-year figures. That's all for business news. I am Chamun Dabeng.